Hello, my name is Laszlo. I will show you how to improve the success rate and quality of your bids with a Kanban board. You may bid to various opportunities, ranging from a simple full-time job opportunity for yourself only to a multi-million-dollar service contract for your company. The high-level procedure is the same, regardless the value of the bid. First, you identify the opportunity, then submit your bid, do your follow-up work, and close the opportunity by winning or losing it. If you are the lucky winner, you will most probably initiate a project or some other activity to deliver your promise. Full-time job opportunities obviously are a bit different because you are bidding only until the first win. Once you are employed, you have nothing else to sell. A Kanban board is an agile project management tool. It is mostly used by service teams. Kanban boards use cards and columns to visualize work items and their flow. Applying a Kanban board to the bid procedure allows you to focus your attention to the right stage of the procedure at the right time and access all the information from a single source, and do all this as a teamwork. There are plenty of Kanban board software applications on the market. Some of them are dedicated tools, while others are integrated into a comprehensive project management solution. For this video, I will use Trello, which is a dedicated Kanban board. For personal use, it is available free of charge with some limitations. Once you are logged into your free account, first you should implement your workflow as columns. Initially, I recommend creating 4 columns: opportunity, submission, follow-up, and closing. You don't need to add any details at this point. Next step, when you are ready to employ the board in your daily work, create a card for each new opportunity. Record the high-level summary as notes on the board. Using the attachment function, you may want to link the card to the tender announcement or to the job description. Move the card to the submission column when start working on the bid documents. If you are working in teams, share the card with your coworkers. Do not forget to set the due date so that the application can notify you in due time. Keep the due date always up to date, showing the next action, even if you are not moving the card further to the next column. The attachment function can also be used to link the card to some cloud storage service. I recommend using either Google Drive or Dropbox for storing your submitted RFP responses, or in case of a job application, the submitted CVs. So this way the board actually becomes your central repository of information. And last but not least, create your set of color-coded labels so that you can use a visual indication of the process flow. Labels can add an additional level of information to your board. This will help you tracking the next action item in the actual submission project. Whenever you change the due date, you may also want to change the label color so that you can then visualize the low-level details of the progress, even if without moving the card to the next column in this high-level workflow. Agile teams that are using Kanban board usually define a work-in-progress limit to identify the bottlenecks or overloads. For example, if the number of follow-up tasks goes beyond this work-in-progress limit, you might want to prioritize this activity over a new RFP submission. RFPs and job applications are just two of the many activities where using Kanban board may improve quality and visibility. Once you start using it, you will surely find further ones in your daily personal and business life.